Now we had cloudy skies. We made our way through the day today. High temperatures were only into the lower 30s, and we have since fallen into the upper 20s. And we're keeping that easterly wind that does give us moisture in. What is happening right now, we once again have some freezing fog or even some freezing drizzle across the region. We do have a little batch right over Scottsbluff reporting 3-mile visibility right now. Looks like the worst of it is over Kimball, only a quarter-mile visibility. And from the city of Sydney and just off to the south, even crossing the border into Colorado, there's a little bit of fog out in that direction. So definitely be aware if you're traveling. The untreated roads, once again, could be slippery because of this freezing fog. We have fallen into the upper 20s at Scottsbluff, mid-20s Bridgeport, Oshkosh, and out toward Torrington, and also mid-20s at Kimball and Sydney, with Gordon at 18 and Harrison at 21 degrees. There's your wind, east-southeasterly, and it's a little breezy out there, 15 to 25 miles per hour. Now, this is producing moisture and keeping us a little milder than we would be with like a northerly wind. We are still near 30 in most places. So as for the weather alerts, as of right now, nothing over the Panhandle of Nebraska, even out toward the I-25 corridor. The only thing in our viewing area is a freezing fog advisory, but that's for the higher elevations between Cheyenne and Laramie. That does expire at 2 a.m. Winter weather advisories from Cherry County points off to the east, but once again, really nothing in terms of alerts over us. There's going to be some slippery travel as we go through the overnight in some areas, especially in the northern Panhandle, so watch out for that. Freezing fog doesn't really show up on our Doppler, so it's just showing us mainly cloudy skies across the region. But again, watch out in Scottsbluff, Kimball, and Sydney points off to the south. So we are staying mainly dry across the region, but a low pressure system is starting to go over us. Got that easterly flow. The low will continue to move into the Midwest and give us some snow showers as we go through the overnight. So let's track it through time. Best chance of some snow showers late this evening through the overnight into our northern counties, out towards Shattering, Gordon, Harrison, and from Wheatland, Chugwater points off to the north, with just some scattered snow showers from Scottsbluff and points to the south. At 6 a.m., still into the mid to upper 20s. Then as we make our way through the day tomorrow, cloudy skies turn mostly sunny by the afternoon. That sunshine, more of a northwesterly wind, will get us to near 40 degrees. And then we will remain mainly clear through the overnight into Friday morning, more clouds. But we will stay mainly dry. Partly to mostly cloudy skies on Friday with highs into the upper 40s to near 50 degrees. Any additional snowfall looks like this. Now, as you make your way from Alliance, Oshkosh, points off to the north, light blue shading 1 to 3 inches in. They could still pick up another 3 to 6 inches out towards Shattering and Gordon, especially as you make your way into South Dakota. Less than an inch of snow as you make your way south of the Scottsbluff area now through late morning tomorrow. So here's the low. It's working its way off to the east. Best chances picking up some moisture on the backside. It's not going to last very long. As the low moves off to the east, we have a very dry northwesterly flow. High pressure in charge. Maybe a few peaks of sunshine for Friday, but we're going to stay under all these clouds. Another system will approach us, but it will really miss us off to the north. There's the snow. We're going to actually pick up some warm air and stay mainly dry. We're in that northwesterly flow, maybe some rain showers, say from Lexington and points off to the east. So we will warm up nicely. 40 tomorrow, breezy to windy the next 3 days, lower 50s with partly to mostly cloudy skies on Friday and Saturday. Mostly sunny skies, mid-40s to near 50 Sunday into Monday. 62 on Tuesday with a chance of some rain showers lasting through Wednesday. Otherwise partly cloudy. It's warm enough for rain with a high of 56 by this time next week. Angel?
Thanks, Justin. The need for more space at a cheaper price drove a lot of people out of cities during the pandemic. All of that action in the market led to some quick decisions by home buyers.